Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Nadia Fadila Fidiallah, selaku dosen dari Program Studi Pendidikan Bisnis Fakultas Ekonomi Bisnis Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya merupakan dosen pembimbing 2 dari mahasiswa yang bernama Muhammad Nur Ihsan dengan judul skripsi Pengaruh Pendidikan Kewirausahaan dan Literasi Digital terhadap Student Entrepreneurship. Dan berikut ini adalah pemaparan dari penelitian tersebut.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing me, my name is Muhammad Nursan, 2018 Business Education Study Program, Faculty of Economic, Jakarta State University. I respect Dr. Suparno, SPD MPD, as the first advisor, then I respect Miss Nadia, SPD MPD, as the second advisor. On this occasion, I will explain the little of my research entitled The Influence of Entrepreneurship Education and Digital Literacy on Entrepreneurship. Chapter 1, Problem Background. As time goes by, the population in Indonesia is increasing. However, Indonesia population growth is not in line with its economic growth. It is characterized by insufficient capital, simple technology, inadequate skilled manpower, and high unemployment. Unemployment is one of the big problems in Indonesia, which until now has not been resolved, and the number continues to increase. Reporting from the online article, the Central Statistic Agency 2020 confirmed that in Indonesia, the number of unemployment has increased every year until August 2020, accounting for 7.0 or 9.77 million people. Meanwhile, based on the level of education, the percentage of the open employment rate Indonesia can be seen in the following figure. The high unemployment rate is caused by jobs that are not balanced with the number of labor force in Indonesia. In terms of limit employment opportunities, effort to overcome the problem of employment, especially for graduates of vocational high school or entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a solution in overcoming the problem of employment because it opens jobs and absorbs the workforce to reduce employment. Mayasari et al. 2019. School play a role in supporting the entrepreneurship program by setting entrepreneurship compulsory subject. However, there are still students who do not have an interest in entrepreneurship, even though they have taken entrepreneurship courses. This statement is reinforced by the result of an initial survey the researchers have conducted on Ataqwa Vocational High School student and a survey of the cause student not having an interest in entrepreneurship. Hmm. Research problem formulation. Based on the description of the background, the problem above, the following research questions are obtained. Number one, is there a positive and significant influence between entrepreneurship, education, and student entrepreneurship at Ataqwa Vocational High School? And then, is there a positive and significant effect between digital literacy and student entrepreneurship at Ataqwa Vocational High School? And the last, is there a positive and significant influence between entrepreneurship, education, and literacy digital with student interest entrepreneurship at Ataqwa Vocational High School? Research purpose. Based on the previous research problem formulation, the research objective were obtained as follows. Number one, the determine the positive and significant influence between entrepreneurship, education with student partnership, student at Atakwa Vocational High School. And the next, the determine the positive and significant influence between digital literacy and student partnership at Atakwa Vocational High School. And the last, do find out the positive and significant influence between entrepreneurship, education, and digital literacy on student partnership at Atakwa Vocational High School. Chapter 2, Literature Review, Student Partnership. Number 1, according to Salahuddin et al. 2018, entrepreneurship is student who give birth to new business with all rise to uncertainties to generate profit accompanied by growth through identifying opportunities by mobilizing the resources needed to take advantage of these opportunities. Number 2, according to Johanna 2020, student partnership is a creative and innovative effort of a person of group to come up something that has advantage, use value, create job, and profits, benefits for yourself and other. And the last, according to Agustina 2019, I think entrepreneurial talent is not enough to become an entrepreneur. Training and sharpening are still needed to have a superior entrepreneurial spirit. Student partnership indicator. Number 1, I am willing to do whatever it takes to be an entrepreneur. The next, my personal goals is to be entrepreneur. And then I am determined to create a new venture in the future. And then improve the economic and the last creating jobs. Fragoso et al. 2019 and Fauziati and Suryani 2020. Entrepreneurship education. Number 1, according to Susilanisi 2015, entrepreneurship education is a learning and training and course students do to develop and apply their creativity from initiative and take responsibility for rise. Number 2, according to Prawiran Negara et al. 2019, entrepreneurship education is a learning process carried out by someone to change the attitude and mindset of students toward entrepreneurial characteristic of entrepreneurship, which will increase interest in entrepreneurship so that entrepreneurship education in tertiary institution is expected to be able to reduce the high unemployment rate, especially among the educated. And the last, according to Wahyuningsi 2020, entrepreneurship education can encourage the attitude, thoughts, and behaviors of students to become entrepreneur with the aim of encouraging students to make entrepreneurship activities a career choice. Entrepreneurship education indicator. Number 1, entrepreneurship education program foster a desire for entrepreneurship. And then entrepreneurship education program increase knowledge and insight in the field of entrepreneurship. And then entrepreneurship education program raise awareness of business opportunities. And then material presented and creativity. Arianing Tias and Palupining Tias 2017 and Fauziati and Suryani 2020. Digital literacy. According to Almi and Rahmi 2020, digital literacy is a skill that students have in themselves as productive students in order to gain business opportunities. And then according to Winarsi and Furinawati 2018, digital literacy has a positive impact on increasing entrepreneurial abilities. The attitude of implementing digital literacy about good entrepreneurship will foster the entrepreneurship business. And the last, according to Suseno 2022, a high level of digital literacy will make it easier for someone to find business opportunities so that it will increase interest in entrepreneurship. Digital literacy in indicator. Number one, collaboration, and then communication, and the last, functional skill. Dinata 2017. Relevant research. Number one, research conducted by Aryan Imtiaz and Paulo Pinintias 2017 states that entrepreneurship education has a positive and significant effect on student entrepreneurial intention. Number two, research conducted by Hasana and Stiaji 2019 state that there is a positive influence and significant digital literacy on entrepreneurial intention in business among students. And then research conducted by Wahyuningsi 2020 state that there is a significant influence between entrepreneurship education on student interest in entrepreneurship. Number four, research conducted by Journey et al. 2021 states that digital literacy has a positive effect and significant to student interest and in entrepreneurship. And the last research conducted by Fauziati and Suryani 2020 said that entrepreneurship education effect on the intention of entrepreneurship in student. Theoretical framework. Number one, relationship between entrepreneurship education and studentpreneurship. If the entrepreneurship education profit is more completed and sufficient, it will further increase the level of entrepreneurship. In this case, it is necessary to evaluate entrepreneurship learning to get better result in shaping the soul and attitude and student entrepreneurial behavior. Suarjana and Wahyuni 2017. Number two, the relationship between digital literacy and studentpreneurship. According to Mutia 2020, students who have good digital literacy will also generate student interest in becoming digital entrepreneurship. Therefore, students are expected to further develop their knowledge about digital literacy in order to be able to develop their potential in digital entrepreneurship. And the last, the relation between entrepreneurship education and digital literacy on studentpreneurship. According to Mulyati 2022, there is a positive and significant influence of entrepreneurship education, digital literacy on interest in studentpreneurship. Education institution must continue to strive to develop student interest in entrepreneurship through various programs that increase student motivation to entrepreneurship. Hypothesis. Hypothesis 1, there is a positive and significant influence between entrepreneurship education and studentpreneurship. Hypothesis 2, there is a positive and significant influence between digital literacy and studentpreneurship. Hypothesis 3, there is a positive and significant influence between entrepreneurship education and digital literacy with an interest in entrepreneurship. Chapter 3, Place and time of research. Place at Ataco Vocational High School, time 6 months, method quantitative research, data source primary, data collect, questionnaire. Population and sample. There are a class in Ataqua with obtained 265 with sample 182. Data analysis technique. Number one, descriptive analysis. Number two, validity test, and then reliability test, and the last hypothesis test. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.